Flight time today, we've got a very strong tailwind pushing us up that way, so it's only going to be about 36 minutes from takeoff till touchdown. We're hoping for a quick taxi here in New York, but it is New York, so we'll try and give you an update on that if it's going to be an extended taxi, depending on how many aircraft are out there when we taxi out. Currently up in Boston, pretty much the same here as New York. They've got light winds out of the northwest, good visibility, few overcast skies, and temperature 54 degrees. We should be underway here shortly. Once again, thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoy the quick flight.
flight deck. As you can see, we pushed back. It was taking us quite a while. We're actually going to have to be pulled back into the gate. We're having a slight brake issue here. We're going to have tech ops come on and take a look at it. So please remain in your seatbelt fastened until we get back to the gate, and we will update you here in about 5 or 10 minutes here. Thank you.
I think First Officer told you we're having a little bit of a brake issue here. We are currently trying to coordinate to get pulled back into the gate, and the mechanics are coming out to take a look at what's going on. So please be patient with us, and as soon as we know a little bit more information, we will be sure to pass that along to everybody. Gate to figure out what's going on, and as you can feel, the brakes were just not giving way. So we are getting stopped out here. The mechanics have come out to the aircraft, and they're trying to figure out what's going on downstairs. But at this moment, we're not able to move backwards or forwards. Unusual circumstance, first time on this aircraft. So once again, just ask for your patience, and hopefully we'll get further word from the mechanics down below working right now. Fix that the mechanics were able to do down below didn't seem to work. They tried pulling us back in and immediately had issues. So they're back down there again, trying to release all of the brakes that were frozen, and just trying to get us back to the gate so we can do figure out what's going on with this aircraft. Once again, apologize. Like I said, I've never had anything like this happen on this aircraft, so this is a new experience for pretty much all of us out here. Just got done talking to the mechanic, and obviously there's something serious going on with our brakes and why they're continuing to lock up. They are still working on the issue down below. We've contacted our operations, let them know that this aircraft is probably not going anywhere, so they are working on trying to reaccommodate any passenger issues. So somebody is looking into that at the moment. Once we get back to the gate agent should have more information. I've heard some of you were looking at your connections up in Boston. So somebody is starting to look at that, and we'll be able to give you more information once we get back to the gate. Unfortunately, these brakes just aren't.
Oh my God, it's working.
If you guys don't mind, they're going to try and tug us one more time. If you guys don't mind sitting down with your seatbelt securely fastened, because there might be a little jolt. Thank you.
What a time.
We do have to do the safety demo. We had a few more customers on today. So thank you again for bearing with us. My name is Lon. It's my Liberty Pilot's Breezy Hilltop. And over the Mains, we have Katrina. Estimated flight times for Wellstock to touchdown will be 36 minutes.